All right, dudes, so I called the guys over at K&N Motorsports. They're here in Gainesville in Georgia. If you have a Mustang, you've probably seen a lot of their stuff. They've tuned a lot of cars. They tuned Chris's 2012 GT, the VMP supercharged one, so they do a fantastic job. I called over to those guys and kind of gave them the synopsis of what's going on in the car. And he said that the tune is probably not exactly right, and with the evaporative emissions that I was getting, and the lean condition that was probably rich in the fuel and probably burn up the plugs. So that sounds pretty good. The plugs had been replaced. I just pulled them all out. They were the NGK plugs, but they were the copper plugs. They were the cheapest ones you could buy for the car. I bought the Autolite Platinums for it. So hopefully those will fix it. And then since I plugged off that evap emissions thing, maybe we won't have any more lean conditions. It's definitely going to give me a code saying that the evap emissions isn't working, which it may just be the sensor that reads the airflow or something. You never know on those because supposedly the purge valve has been replaced a couple times. So anyways, we're going to fire it up and try it and see what it does. Sounded kind of funny, and it may just be these exhausts bugging me out now, just because it's just got a strange kind of sound. But I don't really think it was cutting out right then. Let's try it again here in just a second. Cutting out or something, and heck, the fuel pump could be going weak, I guess. I don't know. The fuel filter's supposed to have been changed, but I probably need to change it too. But it's definitely doing better, so we're gonna keep driving it and see what it does. So the car definitely seems to be running better, and what's weird is at certain throttle positions it runs perfect. And if you open it up just a little bit more, it'll just start cutting back. And then something like fifth gear, if you just give it throttle, it's just doesn't seem to want to run right at all. It's really weird. It's changing with the throttle positions. So I'm gonna call K&N back tomorrow and see what else they think it could be causing this issue. And then in some spots it's running fine, and then you back out of it, and then you run a little bit longer, get back into it, and then you can feel it pull and it feels fine. So I really don't know what's going on yet, so we'll see. Okay, so got the Mustang in here, got some new coil packs coming in, and got some new O2 sensors coming in. I talked with K&N, and they said that they think the coil packs could be bad. Go ahead and replace those. But he said he thinks it's probably the O2 sensors. Maybe the front ones, the rear ones are gone, but the front ones may have messed up or something maybe have gone on, so it's not reading right. That or the tune is just bad. It's not a good tune. So I did get another tuner for the car, so I didn't have the Bama tuner that was originally with the car, so it's got some kind of tune on it. I've been told it's a Bama tune. Got an SCT tuner here, so I got to send this one off and get it unlocked, and then I can use it on this car. So got to do that hopefully next week, get it sent off, and then I can play around with the tune sun, put a new tune on there, and I get those O2 sensors put in, coil packs on. Maybe I can figure it out. It seems to be doing all right. It almost just seems like it is just a bad tune now. Now it just seems like it's not tuned right. So the coil, or the plugs did seem to make it better, but it still seems to be breaking up. So it may just be the tune, not any good. So been working on a couple things today. You check this out. So here's the car, and it looks somewhat clean, but if you get close, you can tell it's not clean at all. One thing, it's got my arm prints and grease and everything when I was changing out those plugs, but it's got pollen all over it now. So if you have a clean car in Georgia and you leave the garage door open for any amount of time, it is not clean at all, especially on a black car. It's just covered in nastiness. But I did work on this today. That's the little, what's it called, strut bar that goes across the struts in the front. So painted it blue. It's kind of a Ford blue color. I think it looked pretty good with the other blue stuff in the hood. So I'm doing a whole red and black theme. I'm going to continue that on the car. On the outside and then under the hood, I'm going to do the blue with the silver. So I think it'll look pretty good. So that's all we got for now. So this is what Killer and I have been working on. So I did all that and then planted all this. Looks pretty good. These are all azalea bushes. Did have some rose bushes here. We moved those up there. So they're around the light pole there now. Hey, Juju. And these are called bungle weeds. So we had weeds here. We took them up and planted weeds that grow flowers. What's cool is these attract butterflies. And randomly we had a butterfly find them today. It was pretty cool. And lastly, we built this around the mailbox and planted some stuff up there. So my weekend's been pretty busy at the house, so I haven't had much time to do Mustang stuff. All right, guys, we'll see y'all later.